HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service that provides customers with pre-measured ingredients and recipes to cook delicious meals at home. To make their service more affordable and appealing, HelloFresh offers various promotions, codes, and discounts to both new and existing customers. To get started with HelloFresh promo codes, first visit the HelloFresh website and click on the Get Started button. Choose your meal plan and the number of people you want to cook for. Then proceed to the checkout page where you can enter your promo code. If you are a new customer, you can find HelloFresh promo codes for 2025 on the company's website or through online search. Some popular codes include discounts on your first few orders or free shipping. Existing customers can also take advantage of referral codes, which reward both the referrer and the new customer with discounts on their orders. When using a HelloFresh code, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Some codes may have expiration dates or be limited to specific meal plans. It is also important to note that codes cannot be combined with other promotions or discounts. To maximize your savings, consider the following best practices. Always check the HelloFresh website for the latest promo codes and promotions. Follow HelloFresh on social media to stay informed about new codes and limited time offers. You can also sign up for the HelloFresh newsletter to receive exclusive discounts and updates. In addition to promo codes, HelloFresh also offers other ways to save money. Consider skipping a week or pausing your subscription if you are going to be away or do not want to receive a delivery. You can also customize your meal plan to suit your dietary preferences and budget. Overall, using HelloFresh codes and taking advantage of promotions can help you enjoy delicious and convenient meals at home while staying within your budget. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your HelloFresh experience and save money on your meal kit deliveries.